Welcome to the project demonstration of IoT based motor monitoring system. So here we are going to monitor the motor parameters like voltage to the motor and current consumed by this motor and temperature with help of this DS18B20 temperature sensor and a speed with help of this IR sensor. So these four parameters continuously monitor by this LCD screen, and the readings were read by this Arduino Uno board, and the same so-called data will be uploaded to the Thingspeak cloud platform by using this ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. So here we are using PZEM module, which can measure the voltage and current. So the current will be measured by this toroid ring, and the voltage will be measured by the voltage sensor which is present in this board. So this PZEM module can handle up to 100 amps. So we can measure the 100 amps load and the voltage up to 275 volts. So generally we will get 250 volts. So the 250 volts is AC, and the current measured by this one and sent to the Arduino Uno board through the serial communication to the 8 and 9 pins. And temperature sensor interface at the pin number 10. So that is the model number is DS18B20. IR sensor interface at the pin number 2, and LCD interface at pin number 3 to 7 and A0 pin. And Wi-Fi module to upload the data to Thingspeak interface at the pin number 0 and 1. So the whole system getting power supply from this 9 volt 1 amp adapter. So we are distributing that 5 volts throughout this input and output sensor modules directly. So we can connect any load here. So not only the induction motor, we can connect any resistive load or inductive load, or else we can connect the refrigerator also, so that we can measure the current consumed by the load. So before on the kits, the very first step is on the hotspot in your phone. Go to hotspot settings and change the hotspot name to project 5871 without any space, without any capital letter, and password should be 12345678910. Select AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. After that, enable the hotspot and data. Log into the Thingspeak. So go to my channels. So there you get the IoT motor monitoring. So here we are getting the four parameters. So the first parameter is temperature in degree centigrade, and speed in RPM, and current in ampere, and voltage in V directly. So before getting the fresh data, you can erase this. So before erasing that, you can download the data. For that, go to downloads and download and data import and export. In that, download the data. Open that. So it will get open in Excel sheet. Right. So these are the previous data till now we have captured. So the first column is date and time, and next entry IDs. How many entries till now we have taken, and the next the field 1, field 2. The field 1 is the temperature and the RPM and the current and the voltage. So after this, you can erase that. So to erase the data, go to channel settings. Here only do clear channel, don't delete channel. Right, after channel cleared, now you can go to private view. Now the old data got downloaded and erased. So now on the power supply to the kit, and on the power supply to this Arduino Uno. So PZEM, this 230 volts AC input to the load purpose, and the next 9 volts is adapter input to the Arduino Uno. So now wait for 15 seconds. Why? Because the system will upload the data in a duration of every 15 seconds, as Thingspeak accept only for 15 seconds of duration only. Right. So as of now, there is no input to the IR sensor. While we demonstration, you should take care of whenever the object is or white object is coming in front of this IR sensor, then only the light should on. Okay, we can observe that speed also is increasing on the LCD display. So if it is continuously on, it's indication of external lighting is coming to the IR receiver module. So you should take care of the external lighting. Sunlight should not fall on this directly. So attach a string, like we have placed a white sticker over here. So now the speed is measuring and displayed on the LCD. Same data is uploading to that. And if we apply the load on this AC motor, we can see the current will be increased to 0.49, right? Right. So in this manner we are going to monitor the motor parameters, temperature also, right? Yeah. So we should mount this temperature sensor on the motor directly. So now you can sense that temperature will be increased. Right.